Hello, friends. All right, today we're ready for Unit 6, Week 2, Day 1. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to review our sound cards. So you can say it with me. Are you ready? Here we go. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb. We've also talked about how sometimes TH can say what? V. CK, sock, k. All right, now we're getting into our glued sounds. Here we go. AN, fan, an. AM, ham, am. ALL, ball, all. A, apple, ah. E, ed, eh. All right, the next thing that we're going to look at is our word of the day. All right, let's tap it out and figure out what our word is. Here we go. Ready? Get your hands ready. Sh, ip, ship, ships. And remember, for our suffix S, it's in a fist and it goes behind our back. All right, let's tap it one more time. Sh, ip, ship, ships. Awesome. All right, now how do we mark the word ships up? Do you remember? All right, so we would circle our S and we would scoop or underline our base word ship. Ship is the base word. S is the suffix. And for ships, what says in ships? It says the S sound, right? So we would put a line, S, line. All right, can we say ships in a sentence? I have a lot of ships. Remember, when we add the suffix S, it means it's plural. There's more than one. So I don't have one ship. I have more than one ship. Ships. All right. Now, here is the next thing that we're going to look at. All right, so let's tap this word out. Are you ready? Get your fingers ready. B, ug, bug, bugs. Did you hear what that S said? It didn't say the S sound. It said Z. All right, so we would put a line, a Z, and a line because it says the Z sound above it. Bug, bugs. Okay, we need to underline the base word because the base word is bug, right? And we would put this right here, what it looks like a line, a Z, and a line above this S because that suffix says the Z sound. And we need to circle our suffix. All right, we are going to build and tap out some words. Are you ready? All right, I'm going to build our first word, and then we are going to tap it out together. So get those fingers ready. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Shell, shell, shells, shells. All right, so how would I mark this word up? All right, so our base word is shell. So you can underline it or you can scoop it. It's your choice. Okay, and then the next thing that we need to do is we need to circle our suffix because there's more than one shell. There's shells. All right, so I need to circle my suffix. All right, now we need to put a Z above it because this S says the Z sound for shells. All right. Now, do you see anything else? There's some other things that we could mark, right? Like our bonus letter or a diagraph. But today we're just going to mark the base word and the suffix. All right. Are you ready to do our next word? All right, here is our next word that we are going to tap out today. All right, let's tap it. Rock, rocks, rocks. All right, do you remember how we mark it up? All right, what is our base word? Rock is our base word, so we underline our base word. And then what else do we need to do? We need to circle our suffix. So I'm going to circle my suffix S. Now let's listen to this word, rocks. What sound did this S make at the end? It made the S sound, so we are going to put a S above it. Very good. All right, let's do another one. All right, here is our next word. Get those hands up, ready to tap. Op, mop, and mops, right? We had to add the suffix S. And I want you to remember, suffix S means that there's more than one. When we add that S to the end, it means there's more than one. It's plural. All right, let's see. How do I need to mark up this word? What is our base word? Our base word is mop. So I underline my base word. What is my suffix? My suffix is S, so I circle my suffix S. Now let's listen to this word. Mops. What's the S say? The S says S. So do I write an S or a Z above it? An S, because S normally says the S sound. Sometimes it can say the Z sound though, right? All right, let's do another word. All right, here is our next word that we're going to do. Let's tap it. Bed, bed, beds. All right, what do I need to mark up in this word? What's my base word? Our base word is bed, so I underline the base word. What's the suffix? The suffix is S, so I circle my suffix. What sound did that S make at the end of beds? You heard the Z sound, so I need to write a Z above it because it says the Z sound. Awesome job. Let's do another. All right, we're going to build another word. Whoops. My eye didn't go where it was supposed to go. All right, here we go. Get those fingers ready. Ill, chill, chills. All right, what is my base word? My base word is chill. Good job. So I underline my base word. What's my suffix? My suffix is the S, right? And what does that S say in chills? It says the Z sounds Z, so we're going to put a Z above it. Awesome job. You're getting good at this. Let's do another one. All right. Here is our next word. There we go. All right, get those fingers up. Egg, peg, pegs, pegs. How do I mark this word up? What's my base word? Peg, so I underline peg. What's my suffix? So I circle my suffix. And that suffix is the sound, so I put an S. Great job. All right, let's clear that. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. Get your fingers up and ready to tap. Here we go. Jug, jug, jugs, jug, jugs. All right, what do I need to mark up first? What is my base word? My base word is jug. What's my suffix? Suffix S. So I circle my suffix S. And what sound does this S make? Jugs. The Z sound, the Z, right? So I put a Z above it. Very good. All right, we're going to do one more. One more. All right, get those fingers warmed up, ready to go. Last one that we're going to build. Here we go. N, et, net, nets. All right, what do I need to do to mark up this word? I need to underline our base word. What is our base word? The base word is net. What is my suffix? The suffix is the suffix S. And what does this S say in nets? It says the S sound. So I'm going to write an S above it. Great job. All right. On today's lesson, we didn't worry about some of those other sounds like our digraphs and marking them up. But I want to show you how to mark up a digraph if you still would like to, or if your teacher asks you. So if we look at this word, let's tap it out. Shop, shop, shops. Okay? For shop, they said, hey, SH is a what? A digraph. So they went ahead and underlined their digraph. Then they underlined the base word. What is their base word? Shop. Very good. And they circled their S because it's a suffix, right? And they put their lines in the S because this S says the S sound. All right. Let's look at our next word. Let's tap it. Ready? D. Dock. Dock. Docks. All right, the first thing they did was they said, hey, do I have any digraphs? They said, yes. So they underlined their digraph. Then they said, there's a base word. What is the base word? The base word is dock. So they underlined dock. What did they do next? That's right. They circled their suffix S. And then they said, okay, does this S say S or Z? Let's listen. Docks. That S says the S sound. So they put their two lines and the S in between. All right, here is their last word. Are you ready? Pen, pen, pens. All right, so this one doesn't have any digraphs, right? But it has a base word. What is our base word? Pen. They underlined pen, and then they circled their suffix S. What does the suffix S say? Pens. This suffix S says the Z sound. So they drew their two lines and put a Z in between. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.